Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to install the ChatGPT Atlas Browser. So first, you want to open Google or any browser you're already using, and in the search bar, you want to type in ChatGPT Atlas Browser. Hit enter, and then from the search results, you want to click the first option that says Introducing ChatGPT Atlas, this one. Then once the page loads, you want to click on Download for Mac OS right here, the center. Now, once you click that, the file will begin downloading and you'll see it appear in the top right corner of your screen. Just click on Downloads and select the Atlas file. And at that point, you'll be asked to log in with ChatGPT. And once you're logged in, the browser is ready to use. It's that easy. Now, you might be wondering, how about for Windows? Well, it's not yet available for Windows. While a version for Mac OS is currently available, Windows version is expected to be released in the future. The Windows version will be a standalone application, not an extension, with an AI sidebar to perform tasks directly on web pages. That's it. That's how you install the ChatGPT Atlas browser in your PC in just a few minutes. So, if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.